Guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can merge two different Gmail account or Gmail ID. So, guys, you can link to Gmail ID. There is a solution, but as per Google policy, as of now, you can't merge two Gmail. You can't merge two Gmail or two Google account in once. But there is a option. I will show you in Gmail how you can merge in Gmail. Okay, so here we have two Gmail open like this, and sorry, this open, and I will open another one. Okay, you can see this is my one Gmail ID open here, and this is my second Gmail ID open here. So as I told you, Google don't have policy as of now that you can merge data or two Gmails, but you can still use the some option or some feature that you can use two emails in your one main email id. Okay, so consider this is my main email id. Okay, and this is my second email id. So if I want to use this email id in this main email id, so what's the process you can follow? You have to go to the second email id and go to the setting, go to the see all setting, and here you have to go in forwarding and pop up IMAP, and you can use this option forwarding at the forwarding address. Means when you receive any new emails in this email id, this email id quickly forward to your main account. Means you can operate this email id, second email id, from your main account. For that you have to just copy your main email id and enter here, and just click and paste. Just click on next, then it will be yeah, proceed forward. Okay, then the one confirmation code will be sent on your main email id. Just click on ok and go to the main email id, and you will get the one confirmation code. Yeah, you got it. And just copy the confirmation code from here, from main account, and you can paste confirmation here and just verify it. So now you have to click on this forward the copy income. Okay, now this is the email id which my main email id, and keep this option you can use, keep Gmail copy in this inbox. You want to keep copy on this email id, so you can leave it as it is. Otherwise you don't want to keep copy in this second email id, so you just select on this delete Gmail copy and add address to forwarding. Okay, in my case I just keep my copy and just add forwarding. Please enter the new forward. Okay, so it is okay, so it is enabled now. So when this email id receive any, okay, save changes, you have to go down and go to save changes. Yeah, it has been changed. Okay, so one pop-up will be appear here, the notice will be in. Okay, forwarding email is okay. So whenever you got new email in this second email id, it will be forward on your main email id, and it will, you can operate uh, second email from here. So it is like merge. Okay, so if you want to send reply as a miss, you want to send email as a, okay, so there is a second option I can recommend you. Go to your main email id and go to the setting. Okay, this time you have to click on main email id and go to the setting, and you can use this option like go to the account and support, and here send as email. Okay, you can add the email second email id here, so that you can send email id from here also, from this second email id. So you don't need to go into second email id and send the mail. You can send mail from here of, as soon as and you can receive the mail also from here. So I recommend you just add another account from here. Click on, you just copy, you need to copy the second email. You can type manually, I just copy because our typo. You just click add another, and I am here. Okay, next send verification. So this time you get verification code on your second email id. Okay, I got it, and now I have to copy the You need to copy this code, verification code, and there is a different pop-up you can check. Okay, so now you can see the another account has been add here, and you can make as a default. Okay, so I make it default, or you can keep main account default. When I go inbox, okay, so here when I compose the mail, you can see there is a down arrow you can use to switch your main account to another account. Okay, so it is useful to send as a to you can use as you know another account as a sender or receiver also. So that is way you can merge on the second Gmail account in one. Okay, so how you can link two Gmail account in two Gmail account. So that is a solution. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for